It's Christmas again, and Smart Depot Tech, AOMEI Technologies are coming together to give you and inform you of the best Christmas gift. If you are ever a digital person, AOMEI Technologies is giving you free Christmas gift here. Over 21 solid products. And how does it work? Here, let me just show you that. The link will be in the description. Just click on it, choose and test this product. Some of these products are great and amazing. It can start from tools like AOMEI Backup Reaper, any Viewer Solo, Ultra Peak Pro. Then we have 21 gifts like optimization tools. We have the partition assistance. We have the WiseCare 365, and it goes on and on. And one of my favorite is IO-Bit Uninstaller. If you're using Windows, this is for you, because all this application in Windows are not completely uninstalled, and it does all the clearance, giving your system life to function at the optimal capacity. Then there is PC utilities, partition assistance. Then there is data security, cyber backup, fast recovery. It goes on and on to mobile security. There is phone tool manager, phone tool repair. It goes on to multimedia. It's just on and on. And that's not all. You can share the joy and win a gift. Yes, how to do that? Just take this event page, share it on your social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and then click on the submit here to submit the link that you have shared, and bam, you can win up to $100. So the link will be in the description. Come on, share it with your family members, your village people, everybody you know. Do not say I didn't tell you. And yes, compliments of the season. So yes, go down to the link, go jump in, download, install, put in the key. It will be in the installation package, and it's going to give you up to 1 year license in list of all these 21 softwares that are pro and paid and professional software that you can use for free. Of course, I cannot hide that from you. What are friends for? Go check it out and make sure you like, follow, share, subscribe. And until I see you in the next video, it is peace and love. Subscribe. I'll see you.